Today's video is on the top 3 best garden soil scoops for vegetables. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Garden Weasel Potting Scoop. When you're out in the garden, nothing beats having the right tools to make your tasks easier. That's where the Garden Weasel Potting Scoop comes in. With its unique serrated tip, this scoop is designed to handle even the toughest garden jobs. It allows you to break up clumps of soil and cut through roots as you clear out beds for planting. Not only does this help with the more challenging aspects of gardening, but the scoop's large design and tall sides also help you transfer soil with minimal spillage, saving you time and effort. Why is this scoop so popular among gardeners? The answer lies in its professional grade design. This gardening scoop has earned its reputation as one of the top-selling tools worldwide, and it's easy to see why. It's built to perform, handling all your gardening needs with unmatched efficiency. The scoop's tried and true design ensures that whether you're planting, transferring, or tidying up your garden, it gets the job done every time. But it's not just about how well it works. It's also about durability. Unlike many cheaper knockoffs, Garden Weasel's soil and potting scoops are crafted with the highest quality materials, so they're built to last. You won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon because this tool is designed for decades of reliable use. If you're looking for something that can stand up to years of gardening, this is the scoop you want. And if you're worried about quality, rest easy, knowing that the Garden Weasel Potting Scoop comes with a satisfaction guarantee. Made and packaged in the USA, it comes with a lifetime, no-hassle guarantee against defects in materials and workmanship. If anything goes wrong, you're covered, making this a risk-free investment for any gardening enthusiast. What truly sets Garden Weasel apart, though, is its commitment to customer service. If you ever have questions, concerns, or even suggestions, the friendly US-based team is always ready to help. At Garden Weasel, they stand behind their products and offer the industry's best customer service, ensuring that you're not just buying a product, you're getting a full support experience. With all these features, it's clear why the Garden Weasel Potting Scoop is a must-have for gardeners who want quality, durability, and great service. Ready to upgrade your gardening toolkit? This scoop could be the game changer you've been searching for. Hit subscribe like you're scooping the perfect soil for your veggies. Number 2. Best overall. Jardineer Multi-Use Soil Scoops. Are you tired of juggling multiple gardening tools? The Jardineer Garden Trowel is here to make your gardening life easier. This tool is designed with a pointy tip that should always face downwards, ensuring smooth and efficient digging, weeding, and trenching. It's an extension of your arm, making every gardening task a breeze. However, it's important to note that the tool is not suitable for use with the tip pointing upwards, so make sure you're using it correctly for the best results. Once you get the hang of it, you'll quickly see how much easier your gardening tasks become. One of the best parts of this garden trowel is its ability to replace a whole set of heavy tools. No more lugging around multiple tools. The Jardineer Garden Trowel functions as a cultivator, soil scoop, trowel, weeder, and even a bulb digger all in one. Thanks to its etched measurements, you can easily ensure you're planting at the perfect depth every time. The sharp, serrated edges effortlessly cut through roots and vines, making your job faster and more efficient. This tool eliminates the need for multiple items in your gardening kit, saving you space and weight. The trowel's stainless steel blade is built to last. It's tough, durable, and made to withstand all the digging, scraping, and cutting you need to do in your garden. You won't have to worry about the blade dulling or breaking anytime soon, giving you long-lasting reliability. But durability isn't all this tool has to offer. The handle is designed with comfort in mind. The non-slip, soft grip ensures your hands won't get sore even if you're using it for hours. Gardening should be a pleasant experience, not a painful one, and this trowel helps make that a reality. But that's not all. This set includes 2 cultivators in 2 different colors, giving you a bit of variety. Plus, you'll receive a pair of gardening gloves to help protect your hands and keep them clean as you work with dirt and mud. It's the perfect combination of practicality and comfort. When you order from Jardineer, you can feel confident knowing you're getting a high-quality product backed by excellent customer service. Jardineer is dedicated to making sure you're satisfied with your purchase. If you have any questions about the soil scoop, don't hesitate to reach out. They're always available to help you with anything you need. With the Jardineer Garden Trowel, you'll have everything you need to make your gardening tasks simpler and more enjoyable. Ready to take your gardening to the next level? This tool will quickly become your go-to for all your planting, weeding, and digging needs. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days, free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. Garden Loose Soil Scoop. Looking for a gardening tool that combines durability, comfort, and sustainability? Look no further than this high-quality garden trowel. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting, this tool will make your gardening tasks a whole lot easier. Let's dive into why this trowel is a must-have for your collection. First, let's talk about what you get. This isn't just any trowel. It's a top-notch, high-performing tool designed to last for more than 10 years. Made using traditional manual processes, the craftsmanship behind it ensures that it's sturdy and reliable. The handle is made from wood, which with use becomes smoother over time. The stainless steel blade is wide and deep, making it perfect for quickly filling pots, buckets, or baskets with soil or compost. If you love to grow plants, you'll quickly find that this trowel becomes an indispensable part of your gardening routine. Now, let's get into the real beauty of this trowel, how easy it is to use. It features a mirror-polished stainless steel cutter head, which looks sleek and professional. The ultra-deep dished blade is designed to hold more dirt, so you can get the job done faster and with less effort. Whether you're scooping soil, compost, or mulch, this tool makes the task incredibly efficient. And because the stainless steel is designed to resist rust, you won't have to worry about cleaning it after every use. It's super easy to clean. Dirt doesn't stick to the blade, making maintenance a breeze. It's so lightweight, yet strong, making your gardening work not only easier, but also more enjoyable. When it comes to versatility, this trowel has you covered. It's perfect for a wide range of tasks, including digging, loosening soil, weeding, transplanting, and composting. The ergonomic hardwood handle is comfortable to hold, and it comes with a leather wristband for easy hanging and storage. It's designed to suit all your gardening needs, big or small. This trowel is also made with sustainability in mind. The handle is crafted from ash wood, sourced from a government-controlled forest certified by the Forest Management Council, FSC. This certification ensures that the wood is harvested responsibly, with tree planting efforts that contribute to a healthier, greener environment. So with every use, you're not just caring for your plants, you're also supporting eco-friendly practices. In short, this garden trowel is a game changer. It's durable, easy to use, and eco-friendly. Whether you're planting new flowers, digging up weeds, or potting your favorite herbs, this trowel will make your garden work smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.